Hello everyone, my name is Srishti and in this video we will talk about some elements of future tense. Though it is very simple, but when we talk about tenses, many times people face difficulty to understand the rules and the concepts. So through this video we will try to simplify it for you, and at least future tense will be very easy for you to understand from now on. Make sure that you watch the video till the end. Let's start now. When we are using future tense, the word or the modal verb that we use often is will. I will buy some sweets. She will drink cola. They will eat food. Something like this. We are making the sentences. Now let's understand what is the relevance of these. Can you describe this picture, what this child is doing? But you have to use will in your sentence. He will walk towards the store. He will go to the school. He will play in the afternoon. He will study hard. Some of the random sentences I tried to make using will. So again, I can now add today or tomorrow, but I also need to use will. Let's change the sentences. He will go to school tomorrow. He will study hard today because he is having an exam. He will go to the market today. He will play football tomorrow. So some of the sentences we tried to make using will and tomorrow along with today. So when we use will, it is obviously used to express the future tense. So we need to remember that we use going to express the action which will have a definite plan. And we use will where we have less certain plans. I'm not saying zero certainty, but yeah, something which is little more lesser certain, or you're not very sure, there we are using will. So John will go to school tomorrow. Yes, we know that, but what if he falls ill? But if I am saying John is going to school today, John is running fast, or he will be going to school tomorrow, something like that. That means I am moving towards more certainty. That is the only difference I am using here. So the subjects can be I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, plural or singular, that depends. And with all of them, we can use will. Accordingly, the verb will be changed, like I will drink milk, you will run fast, he will eat some food, like that. Now it's your turn to match the pictures with the sentences. So the first picture is that of a plane that will land on time. The second picture, the children will be at school on Friday. And the third picture, it will be sunny every day because the weather forecast is saying that. Now we have to make more sentences using will. So the swimmers will swim across the pool, or maybe they will swim from one distance to a different distance. And this man will do the cycling from one end of the mountain to the other end. You can even make different sentences. Make sure that you share with us in the comment box below. Again, let's make few more sentences. The family will spend some time together at the restaurant. The people will enjoy at the beach. They will have a nice time at the beach. The weather will be good this time of the year. They will go to a national park. They will visit a national park to go hiking. The family will rent bikes one day to take a tour of the countryside. So we had some options, and the condition was we had to use will in the sentence. I am sure now you are able to understand this concept in an easier and a very effective way. So let's complete these sentences together. We need to chat. Call me tonight. I will be at home. I will call you tonight to talk about work. He will meet you at the train station at 7 p.m. We are free on Sunday, so we will visit you on Sunday afternoon. We will be late tomorrow unless we leave earlier. They will play the game. They will lose the game if they do not play well. We will eat a big breakfast tomorrow morning. The car will be lost. The car will run out of gas soon. Please make sure you fill it up. So this is how, basis the options that are given to you in the red boxes, you need to complete these sentences. So will can be used for some kind of contraction, like the meaning is just simple. We write the whole spelling as W-I-L-L. So if I am not using that, how I can write it? I will write it like this. I, which is my subject, apostrophe S, the apostrophe with LL. You remember how do we put apostrophe and then S? Similarly, apostrophe mark, punctuation mark with double L. So this is how this I will be now pronounced as I'll. I'll eat tomorrow. You'll laugh hard. He'll read the book. So instead of saying he will read the book, I'm saying he'll read the book. So that's absolutely okay. The meaning will remain same. So match the following nouns with actions. Now let's try this activity together. He will be in the office next week, or he'll be in the office next week. Sarah will play tennis this afternoon, or Sarah will play tennis this evening, whatever. The two students will walk to the school tomorrow. Like this, it's very simple, I know that. So use a contraction below. He'll email you tomorrow to let you know about the meeting. The 13th sentence, as you can see, I'll send the package tonight. I will or I'll, it's one and the same thing. They'll run 10 kilometers today. Don't worry. She'll watch the children tonight while we are at dinner, or she'll look after the children. It's one and the same thing. They'll drink some mineral water. He'll borrow your car to pick up the kids tomorrow. I'm sure they'll win the game tomorrow night. We'll come to your house tomorrow night. Now, shall can be replaced, or shall can replace will for I and we, like I shall, we shall. Have you heard that song? We shall overcome one day. So that shall is used here. We do not use shall with you, they, he, she, it. I shall be late tomorrow evening is correct. We shall leave early tomorrow morning is also correct. But Jared shall eat at home tonight. Jared is the name of a person. With this, we are not using shall. We can use will. So let's use shall together in these sentences along with the verbs that are given to us as options in the red boxes. I shall be at home tonight. I shall sleep at home tonight. Both can be here. We shall be pleased to help you to your car. We shall take some leftovers home tonight. I shall feel tired if I do not get enough rest. It's easy. Now, I'm using I think with will. We often say I think will to make predictions about the future. For example, I think he will win the race. I think she will visit me. I think it will rain tomorrow. Something like that. So we are making a prediction about the future when we are using think with will in the same sentence. And we're not very certain that the event will occur, but we think. So the meaning, the word think itself indicates that I am not very sure about something. I'm just making a prediction. I think he will win the race. Okay, making a prediction. And if he wins or he does not win, that we don't know. It's just talking about some kind of possibility that can happen. So let's use think and will in the sentences given below. I think that Tom will pass the exam next week. I think that our team will win the game tomorrow night. I think that the movie will be great. I think that the operation will cause pain. So let's use I think and will with the pictures given to us. I think the people will enjoy the ride. I think the concert will be a great success. I think the food will be delicious. And I think this girl will sleep very soon because she looks very tired. You can even make different sentences of your choice. I'm just sharing few examples with you. And as we always say, whatever points you have, whatever sentences you want to make, you can drop to us in the comments box below and we will certainly get back to you over that. I think I will be late for work because of traffic. I think the movie will be enjoyable. So now these sentences are a little bit incorrect. We need to correct them. It is freezing outside. I think it will snow tomorrow. She's going on a business trip. She will be in London on Monday. I think she will be in London on Monday. They will ski all day tomorrow. They shall be tired tomorrow night. They will be tired. He is hungry. He will prepare a cheese sandwich. The clouds are quite heavy. I think it will rain tomorrow. How can I make a prediction about yesterday? Of course, it should be tomorrow. The players are not prepared for the game. I think they will lose the game tomorrow night. You have an exam next week. I think you will pass the exam. They will like the presents. Instead of liked, the verb will be like, L-I-K-E, the first form. So future, will or going to, we are using that. We do not use will for events or actions where a definite plan has been made. Like, I'll be home tonight. You will have a good time. They will enjoy the show. So I'm going to a concert at 8. Surety. We are going to fly home tonight. We are very much certain about this because our tickets are also booked. And she's going to sell her car to Tim tomorrow. Everything has been discussed. Therefore, I'm using she's going to because it is very much sure. So pick the correct sentence construction. They are going to be on a train at that time. Their train is 12:20 p.m. tomorrow. That is a surety. They are going to be late if they do not leave soon. Or maybe they will be late. Both can be correct here. She is going to take music lessons next year. Surety. As always, he will eat his lunch at his he's going to eat his lunch at his desk today because this is pointing towards some kind of surety. Give me a call tonight. I am going to be at home. I'm confident that she will pass her driver's test tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow afternoon, he's going to attend an important conference. So this is how we tried to make different sentences referring to future tense. And I'm sure now you are able to understand future tense at least in a very easy and a very efficient way. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned with us. Thank you and good day.